Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your name in Duolingo with this easy tutorial. Let's begin. First, open the Duolingo app and go to your profile by tapping on the head icon at the bottom right of your screen. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner to open your settings. Now, tap on the second option called Profile under the Account section. This will take you to the Profile Settings page, where you can update your profile details. Next, look for the Name section. Tap on your current name and type in your new name. Once you're done, tap the Return or Done button on your keyboard. Your new name will be saved automatically. If you also want to change your username, tap on your current username in the Username section. Keep in mind that your username can only include letters, numbers, and underscores, and it must be unique. If your chosen username isn't available, just try adding a few extra characters until it is. Once you're ready, tap Return again to save your new username. Now, go back to your profile page and you'll see your updated name and username displayed. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name in Duolingo. Thanks for watching.